Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Welcome Suite Springdale. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in Springdale, Studio 6 Cincinnati Springdale provides accommodations with free Wi-Fi, a TV and a kitchen. Each room is fitted with a fully equipped kitchen including a stove, microwave and fridge. The hotel also provides guests with laundry and ironing facilities, upgraded bedding with extra pillows, and fresh water in every room. The property offers free on-site parking and free local phone calls. Attractions within close proximity to the hotel include the Kings Isl, the Coco Key Water Park and the Tri-County Mall. Cincinnati is 13 miles from the aparthotel, while Bellevue is 12 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky International Airport, 21 miles from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.